Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin. Nahmaduhu wa nasta'inuhu ala umuri dunya wa din wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajmain. Asyhadu an la ilaha illallah wa asyhadu anna Muhammadar Rasulullah. Rabbi sholli sadri wa yassirli amri wahlul 'uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli, amma ba'du. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Let me introduce myself. My name is Jennie Syahda Keness Ningtyas. I'm the student of grade 5B. The Honorable Chairman of this presentation and all respectable audience. All the praise be to Allah, the Lord of the universe. Blessing and praise may everlastingly be upon a prophet with no prophet after him, Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and upon all of his families and companions. In this special time, I want to deliver a speech about achieved during COVID-19 pandemic. What do you want to be? Do you want to be a success person in the future? I believe that everybody has a dream, so that we must have the effort to make the dream come true. Even though we must learning from home during the COVID-19 pandemic, we must always keep spirit to be the good student. We must be disciplined to study and complete all the tasks given by our teacher on time. If you don't understand about something, don't be shy to ask our teacher. Don't be lazy, because study is very important for us, so that we can make all our dream come true. Let's pay attention to social distance and to the health protocol. I will end my speech by reminding everyone again that the government has done so many things during this difficult time. So please follow the rules and regulations that we make. Need to brilliant, study hard, buckle down, and learn truly. Take in more, pick up information more. Thank you so much for everyone's attention to this matter. Remember that everyone again is important and each of you can make a difference. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.